Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Rike Knives Tulay here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife. It's G10 integral. Very big. This is gonna be like around 8.75 inch long with a 4.75, almost 5 inches long blade. It's the first G10 integral knife. Look at this. One solid chunk of G10 with milled out internal, of course. It's a liner lock, so integral liner lock, very interesting, screwed in from the outside. It's made in China. It has a 154 CP steel, nice flat ground blade with a nice swedge, nice jimping, carbon fiber inlays. It has a very loud sound when it opens and when it closes. Super loud and snapping, strong, and there's some authority when you deploy this blade. Strong detent. And what is really cool is that this guy is big and it's light. This is 3.6 ounces. There's zero hot spots when you squeeze it. Actually, the ergos are very cool. Runs on bearings, super smooth, and it's kind of cheap because it's going to be around $150. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.